Sunrise spilling gold across the open land. Serenity's rolling, wheels kissed by sand. Loki in the passenger seat, nose to the breeze. Pug of Mischief chasing sins through the eucalypt trees. Every mile a memory, every stop a song. Kazz at the wheel where the heart belongs. Shaking life, making tracks, from red dirt roads to ocean back. Laughter loud and troubles light. We're chasing joy in the fading light. Australia wide and wild and free. Rolling free and serene.
We're driving around the lake. I can't imagine how big Lake Boga actually is. Imagine the big boats flying in the 40s. Just crazy that this was a secret spot in the middle of nowhere.
Stopping by the river where the night turns to day. Campfire coffee, stars shining bright. Stories and paw prints in the soft moonlight. Shaking life, making tracks, with Loki snores in the wind at our backs. No maps, no rush, just time to roam. Every road we take feels a little like home. Australia sings its melody, rolling free in serenity. Highways and back roads, coastlines wide, from golden fields to the evening tide. No destination, just the ride. Loki's eyes shining by my side. Shaking life, making tracks, with paw prints trailing, no looking back. Sunsets glow in a sky so blue, just me and my pug in a dream come true. Australia's heart keeps calling me.